Guys, so welcome to the video. So I have been working for a couple months now on my website. I'm not finished with it as yet, but as you can see, a girl has been working. So I just really wanted to showcase what I've done so far and kind of keep you guys updated and really document my blog. The main goal for my blog is to educate and to create a community of like minded people who help each other and are interested in technology, medicine, and all things creative, right? So, the first thing is the homepage. So, Kali's blog, exploring technology and medicine. So, welcome to Kali's blog, a cozy digital space where I explore topics like my hobbies, technology, AI, medicine, and drug research. I may even delve into more creative things, so look out for that. I believe technology expands our possibilities, medicine preserves our ability, and hobbies remind us of our humanity. So all throughout you're gonna see little collages and pictures and stuff like that throughout the website, and I made those using Canva and getting my pictures from Pinterest. So if you guys kind of want to see recordings of me actually making the collages or even actually coding a part of the website, please do let me know. And if you want like a deeper dive through every aspect of the website and the different sections, the different posts, stuff like that. But the main thing right now is just to give you guys like just a quick little peek, a little sneak peek into what we have so far. So here I have this beautiful pink collage that I made. It is so girly, so cutesy. I love it so much. And then we have like a little interactive section here. So a technology section, medicine section, creativity section, and a project section. And once you press read more, it will lead you to the respective pages up here. So, technology. Welcome to our technology page where we explore the latest trends, innovations, and insights in the tech world. Dive into our collection of blogs that cover everything from gadgets and software to industry news and expert opinions. And then when you proceed more, it's supposed to lead you to the tech page, but I haven't added anything to the tech page as yet. And then we have medicine. Welcome to our medicine page. Here we explore the latest advancements, research, and insights in the medical field. And then, of course, I do have a post. Okay, I do have a post under here, and as you can see, okay, I don't want y'all to see too much, but I have to implement and code a comment section so that you guys can interact with each other, give each other tips, and just really converse. Because as I said before, the main thing is to build a community. All right, back to the page, and then we have a creativity page. Welcome to my creativity page. Here you'll find a diverse showcase of my work in graphic design, web design, Blender, video editing, and all that good stuff. And I do have stuff under here. I have like all my graphic design and just stuff that I've done. And I do have, let's get a little sneak peek. I do have a website design section because I am working on some websites for some friends and just clients and people in general. So once I am done, I will be posting those. So stay tuned. But I haven't added them as yet. And then we have lastly the projects page. So welcome to my portfolio. Here you'll find a curated overview of my coding projects across the different fields. And it's empty because I haven't added the stuff as yet. I haven't really locked in on any other projects really. It's just mainly been my website. I have been locked in and focused on this website, so I honestly really do need to work on some other projects to add there. But yeah, and then we have a latest blog post section. So how to detach yourself from self-worth, feeling overwhelmed by school, mental health, stuff like that, and just encouragement. As I said before, this is a safe space, guys. And of course, I'm going to add the comments so we can all interact and talk and all of that good stuff. And then, of course, We have another post about, feeling overwhelmed. And of course, I need to add the comment section as well. I do want to make some more blog posts and have at least two or three blog posts per section that I have up here until I, you know, publish it, because it is not published as yet, as I'm still working on it. And I do want to have some more projects as well. And I may even have a section under my projects page outlining how I made the projects, how I went about deciding the projects, stuff like that, right? And then of course, leave the blog post and you can explore all posts and you'll see the three posts that I have so far. And then of course the different sections of stuff we're gonna discuss, and it's exciting, guys. It's exciting. And then lastly, of course, we have the quote and then a cute little picture. And then we have a subscribe section so you guys can be added to, the mailing list, your emails. You can know when I make a new post update. We can just converse, maybe even have little meetings, as I said, for a safe space, a community. We're like-minded people who are interested in mental health, encouragement, technology, medicine. Yeah. But y'all are probably like, who is this talking? So, hi, I'm Chalia. I'm a tech enthusiast, a lover girl at heart, and a proud Scooby Doo addict. Okay, where are my Scooby Doo girlies at? And of course, a dedicated medicine and technology lover, right? As I said before, it's a safe space. We share our thoughts, interests, and the stuff that we have done. Chocolate girly, okay? I love all things chocolate, coconut, and almond. And of course, my favorite chocolate has all three, okay? Bounty, mm-hmm. And then, she's a lover girl. And then I just had to have why I love Scooby Doo. Why I love Scooby Doo really solidified my love for dogs, okay? I love dogs real bad, and Scooby Doo is the reason why. Friendships as well are so dear to me. Scooby Doo is the reason why. And then, my love for my birthday is a little thing to know about me, and of course my passion for medicine and technology. And then of course, the blog section. I'm just showing you guys in the nav bar, and then technology. Haven't added this stuff as yet. Medicine, creativity, all the stuff that I've worked on, and then projects which I haven't added as yet. So that kinda is a little, a little sneak peek, a little, you know, of my blog page, and I am really so excited and happy to share this with you guys and to create a community. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. If you guys want a like deep dive into how I went about making the blog, on how I did different sections, whether it be the nav bar, the blog post section, or even want me to make a blog post or to make a specific section with you guys, then definitely let me know down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you like the blog so far and you want to join the community. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.